In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve the connection timed out error, code 504 in Cloudflare. This error code can definitely be a source of frustration, but with some careful steps and attention to your server's performance, you can get things back on track and ensure a smoother experience for your users. First things first, let's dive into checking your server load. This critical task involves monitoring your CPU, memory, and disk usage. Periodically reviewing these metrics can provide valuable insights into how your server is handling the current traffic and workload. If you notice any one of these metrics running particularly high, it's likely that your server is under considerable strain, and this might be contributing to the 504 errors you're encountering. In such cases, it would be wise to restart any overloaded services as an initial measure. Restarting services can free up resources and may mitigate the issue temporarily, allowing you to address the underlying causes without interrupting your website's operations too severely. Next, let's move on to optimizing slow processes. One common cause of excessive server load and subsequent 504 errors is inefficient handling of database queries. Slow or poorly optimized queries can bottleneck your server, leading to noticeable slowdowns. Therefore, take time to review and fine-tune these queries for better performance. This might involve restructuring your queries, adding indexes, or even simplifying certain tasks. Additionally, look at reducing the execution time of scripts running on your server. Sometimes scripts can be optimized to run more efficiently by revising their logic or code structure. Another useful optimization technique is enabling caching where possible. By caching frequently accessed data, you can reduce the need for repeated processing and retrieval, easing the load on your server. Now, if after all these optimizations your server still frequently runs out of resources, consider increasing your server resources. This can be a more long-term solution to prevent 504 errors. Start by evaluating your hosting plan. If you notice that your server is chronically undersized for your needs, it might be time to upgrade your plan to one that offers more robust resources. Sometimes, simple upgrades in RAM or CPU can make a significant difference in handling higher volumes of traffic. During periods of unusual traffic spikes, scaling your infrastructure might be necessary. This could involve employing load balancers, additional servers, or even utilizing a content delivery network. These measures can help distribute the workload more evenly and prevent any single server from becoming overwhelmed. By being prepared to scale your infrastructure, you can ensure a more responsive and stable service for your users, minimizing disruptions caused by unexpected traffic surges. Through these strategies, you're not only tackling the immediate 504 error issue, but are also setting up a more resilient and efficient server environment, capable of handling traffic demands with ease. By staying proactive and vigilant, you'll significantly improve both performance and reliability, creating a better experience for everyone who visits your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.